How to monetize Facebook? Facebook is one of the oldest social media channel, but it's still a great place to earn money. Here's how to monetize your Facebook page. Can Facebook page to earn money. You can 100% still earn on Zuck's Dubert social media channel, and as a content creator, it's a valid revenue for both your bank account and your viewers. After all, Facebook racks up more than 4 billion videos views per day. So the audience is there. Should I monetize on Facebook? Facebook monetization is a goal you need to reach rather than something you can kick off right away. A good place to start is your other social media channel. Do you have an engaged? This means some of your followers might have linked their Facebook and Insta account, making it a title easier to get them on board. If you convince your fans to not just follow your different social media page but interact with them, you you'll be well on the way to gathering the best from Facebook monetization. We've put together a few handy guides on this stuff, including tips on how to get your first 100 followers on Instagram and 10 tips to get more subscribers on YouTube. How do you know if you are eligible for monetizations? Checking if you earn monetization your Facebook page is super easy. How to the Facebook creators? On the home page, make sure your details are correct and click setup monetizations. How many followers and views do you need to get paid on Facebook? In stream ads, have at least 5 active videos, all more than a minute in length. You also need at least 60,000 minutes of views in the last 60 days. Yeah. Have at least 1,000 followers. Subscriptions. Have at least 1,000 followers or more than 250 return viewers. How Can your Facebook page earn money?